Hey there, did you know the Middle East's extreme geography actually dictates global economic power? Let's dive in.
But how, right? Well, it all starts with the massive physical barriers totally defining this rugged terrain.
Just look at the crazy contrast between the towering Zagros and Taurus mountains and those massive, impassable deserts. Take the Rub al Khali Desert. It gets under 2 inches of rain yearly, creating totally extreme isolation. But then, acting like a complete lifeline, the Tigris and Euphrates rivers carve out these incredibly fertile valleys. These ancient rivers actually merge into the Shat al-Arab, which flows right down into the super-strategic Persian Gulf. Now, because those inland deserts are basically impassable, global trade is totally forced through the region's narrow sea routes. So waters like the Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, and Arabian Sea become these massive, absolute global crossroads. Get this. The Gulf of Aden alone handles 12% of all global trade. The economic stakes are huge. This creates what we call maritime choke points. They're these narrow, vulnerable gaps funneling literally the whole world's economy.
Ultimately, we're left with 3 vital ocean gateways holding the actual keys to all of our international shipping.
In the west, the man-made Suez Canal handles 30% of container traffic, literally slashing global shipping distances.
Heading south, you've got the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. It acts as the one critical exit from the Red Sea.
And finally, the big one, the Strait of Hormuz. It's easily the most important oil choke point on Earth. The stakes here are insane. Over 20 million barrels of oil flow through this tiny gap every single day. But here's the catch. These vital routes are super vulnerable to piracy, blockades, and wild geopolitical tensions.
Because of these constant threats, international navies actually have to patrol these waters non-stop to secure our supply lines.
With your daily gas and goods relying on these tiny geographical bottlenecks, how secure is our economic future really?